I want to begin today's media brief by extending warm wishes on the occasion of Infantry Day to all of you. It was on this momentous day in 1947 when Indian Army, led by infantry, landed at Srinagar to protect the people of Jammu and Kashmir from the invaders who came in from Pakistan. Ever since, the security forces and government agencies have been working tirelessly with great synergy to maintain peace and tranquility in Jammu and Kashmir. Due to these relentless efforts, the security situation has improved tremendously, especially in the last 3 to 4 years. This has paved the way for development and promotion of tourism in Jammu and Kashmir. This normalcy has brought prosperity and growth, which has somehow not gone down well with the inimical elements. That is why there has been a constant endeavor from across the line of control to disturb this peace and vitiate the security environment in Jammu and Kashmir. You all have been witness to the continuous attempts of infiltration being made from across the line of control. In the last 8 months, we've had 10 such attempts in our divisional area of responsibility, which have resulted in elimination of 27 terrorists and recovery of large quantity of warlike stores. In addition, we've also recovered huge quantity of narcotics, which establishes a deep nexus between the defense establishments in Pakistan and the terrorist groups. They are all determined to create disturbance in the valley and impact the future of the generations in Jammu and Kashmir. You would also be aware of the recent operations in Uri sector, where a group of terrorists attempted to infiltrate, but our alert troops foiled the attempt and neutralized 2 terrorists. Yesterday's operation, in a way, is a befitting tribute to our infantrymen who have worked tirelessly for the last many decades to ensure that peace continues to prevail in the valley. The security forces are working in complete synergy today. We are committed to defeat any attempt of the enemy to disrupt the security situation in Kashmir Valley with firm resoluteness and steadfast commitment. I would now request SSP Kepwaڑہ to cover the intelligence part of the operation, and thereafter commanding officer of 56 Rashtriya Rifles will cover the details of the operation which was conducted yesterday.